ako lang ba yung pinagpipray? Ang prayer ko is, Lord, alisin mo na to sa harapan ko, tulungan mo ako malagpasan to, palitan mo tong pain na nararamdaman ko, paki-fast forward na dun sa good part. Kasi hanggat maaari, gusto natin good life lang eh. Hanggat maaari, ayaw nating nasasaktan. At hanggat maaari, gusto natin malagpasan yung pinagdaraanan natin agad-agad. Pero natutunan ko dun sa preaching kahapon na hindi pala lahat ng bagay ay gusto ni God alisin sa atin. Are you in pain? Is someone actually hurting you? Mayroon bang injustice sa buhay mo? Kailangan mo ba ng pera? May mga bagay ka bang gusto sanang mawala na lang at tulungan ka na lang ni God na agad-agad is miraculously alisin yun sa buhay mo para palitan ng mga good things, right? The good news is, tutulungan naman talaga tayo ni God. The bad news is, walang miracle para sa mga ganong klaseng problema. Kung nasa waiting season ka ngayon, wag na wag mong skip or hingin na skip to the good part. Bakit? Dahil kailangan at essential yung mga pagdaraanan mo, yung mga oras, yung mga araw na daraan para mas matuto ka at para ma-prepare ka ni God to actually fight for this battle. Kumbaga, kung ikaw si David, hindi ni God pinatay si Goliath basta-basta na lang para sa'yo. But He actually sent tons of foxes, of animals na makakalaban mo simula bata ka pa lang hanggang sa pagtanda mo, hanggang sa nagbibinata ka, to prepare you for a Goliath one day. And for me, sobrang sweet nun. Kasi minsan ang feeling ko, right now actually ang feeling ko, well, I'm actually in the waiting season, feeling ko nonsense. Feeling ko pinaparusahan ako ni God. Feeling ko God is actually humbling me, taking away a lot of things from me, just so I would learn something from it. Pero hindi pala lahat ng bagay is a form of punishment. It might be, but others are actually there for us to be ready for a battle, be ready for our next blessing. Be ready, kasi if not, we either lose the battle or we destroy the blessing. And there are actually some fights na pinili na lang natin manahimik, pinili nating hindi labanan, pinili nating hindi na lang patusin kasi gusto natin si God na ang bahala. Pero ang magandang part doon is that it doesn't mean hindi natin pinilit labanan. It's hindi nilalabanan ni God for us. May mga bagay na may it be nilaban natin publicly or nilaban natin silently. God is still fighting with us. Kahit na we decided to let it go. He knows. God knows our worries. God knows our concerns. And He is with us along that battle. Yes, we need to prepare. Yes, we need to learn while waiting. But the sweetest part is that during the battle, we just have to show up. Siya na yung bahala sa mga susunod pa. We will win the battle not because we're good, not because we're strong or whatsoever. We will win it because God is with us. But as we're waiting, He will equip us for that battle to be won and for that blessing to be rewarding. The enemy will definitely intimidate us and will make us feel like we don't deserve or we don't know what to do with the blessing. And the enemy will always make us feel like we're alone and that the next steps would be harder. But as we become weak, know that God is just there to make us strong. We cannot really do, face everything and do things on our own. We always need God. And so whenever we feel like we're alone, the more we have to hold on to God and His promises. Without a question, God will definitely help us win the fight. But the questions are we ready? Are we willing? And are we available? Because the thing is that there are some delays that are not caused by God. It's actually us that's causing the delay. Not obeying ASAP is also disobedience. Delaying your yes to God and delaying your obedience to God is still disobedience. So when God is asking you to do something, immediately obey. Because it might be hard and it might cost you a bit of everything that you really want. But God's best is definitely way better than what we just want. If we only listen to Him, if we only learn to actually let go of our selfish desires in return of what He wants for us, we will get unlimited happiness and joy and peace. The thing is that we can have everything that we want, clothes, shoes, makeup, bags, and still feel empty the next day, and still feel like we're missing out on a lot of things the next day. But if God is with us and He's giving us those things, the peace, joy, happiness, even though we miss out on the material things that this world offers, there's a big chance, there's a guaranteed happiness that only God can fill in. Reminder, this is never about you, but what you can actually do with God. Have a good Monday. Have a good week, everyone. Isang maigpit na yakap. God bless you. Laban pa.